Story time. In 2024, on August of 2024, I was at my vacation with my wife and I was playing around with AI, and I thought of an idea to create a book using AI and publish it on Amazon KDP. And then while I was publishing the book that I created, took me about maybe 40 minutes where I was able to generate this book where I put it on Amazon. And then the next day I woke up to my first royalties from creating that book and selling it on Amazon KDP. But I used a specific strategy that I thought about during the time when I was setting up the book in Amazon KDP. Now, let's fast forward today. This is 2026. It's August again. And right before I'm heading out for my vacation, I decided to use my software to create me books that I'm going to be using on Amazon KDP, where people are going to be reading and people are going to be buying. And it turns out the strategy that I used back then works today. Now, why am I telling you this? Well, you're on the sales page because I created a software that automates the whole process on how I was able to generate a book using AI manually. That took me 40 minutes, 30 minutes to create. Now you're able to create these books in less than 6 minutes. But your first book is going to be ready, uploaded, and with everything inside based on any keyword or URL that you have, another video, a topic, anything, our type of niche and category that is already covered in Amazon KDP and other publishing places online. Now, what I have for you here today is an upgrade of our last year's version of Royalty Profits Volume 1. This year with Royalty Volume 2, we're offering a couple of features that are very important in your book creation. Now, this year, we've added the ability to create characters and create them into worlds that you can put into your books. And not only that, we've also made it easy for you to translate these books in various different languages so you can target the most top countries that are online. Also, in my training, there is the strategy where you're going to be able to generate your first royalties on the next very day of you publishing your book. I have a strategy that will make you sales overnight. And for the next 5 days, you're going to be seeing royalties come in after people start reading your books and after people start buying your book. Now, I wanted to show you a quick demo on how this works and how you're going to be creating your first book in the next few minutes once you're inside Royalty Profits Volume 2. So follow me and let's check it out real quick. And in this part, this is what you're going to be seeing, okay? It's very easy to set up, very quickly to do. So you can choose an option of doing a short report, lead magnet, URL to ebook, or video to ebook. Okay. So the book topic, you're going to have to find a book topic that you'd like to do. So let's say we want to do something in Padel. And I'll name it Mastering Padel as a newbie. Now, you also have the ability to create a character or create a world, where we'll leave out for now because that'll be a different video. We just want to create a book about this. Who do we want to target? So we want people who are in hobbying as Padel as a game, okay? So this is going to be more of, let's see, I'm going to see what I can choose based on this. Training on how to become a Padel player. So this would be more of an authoritative figure. So this is my author, okay? And then you're going to have to put your keywords, the description, and the book price. And this fills in, click on that. And let's include images and maybe one at the end of each chapter. Let's do photorealistic 5 and include my name and author and choose the GPT that you want to use. And then choose the template of the book that you'd like to create. So really easy to do. Just choose so you can see what it looks like and then create campaign. So here's my book. It's finished and it's ready to go. Now, before I continue, the cool thing is that I can take this and actually create another language. Let's do a Spanish. Padel is huge in Spain, so maybe take advantage of the Spanish market or newbies over there. So right now, it's starting another book in Spanish real quick because I told it to go out and translate this. So basically, I can come into my preview and I have my cover, beautiful cover, my author name, and then it gives you all the information. And there'll be images in there as well. Here's some images, realistic images. Look at this. Measure, how cool is that? That's what, photorealistic images that have been created for my book. And then it keeps on going down, written in a beautiful, beautiful styling and everything. Look at this. The transition zone. It talks about it. It's matching everything that it needs to. I haven't done much, but just put in my idea of something. I'm not overthinking it. I'm not overcomplicating it at all. I'm just doing what I need to do to put content out that makes sense. Right now, this is showing me that it's a very good book that I can take advantage of and put it online, and I'm pretty sure people are going to like it. Okay, download this PDF, download my EPUB, download my cover, and ready to upload on my KDP Amazon. So you see, it's that simple to actually generate a book and put it online. Now, your chance is to actually get inside right now at the lowest price, because we are bringing the prices up, and you can see everything that you're getting inside this sales page. My name is Demetrius, and I'm going to be your coach and mentor inside Royalty Profits AI. I'm going to guide you. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to be doing and how you're going to be generating your first royalties using our software. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure you scroll down and understand that we're here for you, and I do all the customer support. So I'm going to be talking to you personally once you're inside Royalty Profits AI. And if you have any type of issues, you're going to be able to contact me at any point in time. Thank you so much. On behalf of my partner, Alex Krulig, and myself, we welcome you to the Royalty Profits AI family for 2026.